And tomorrow we'll be talking a mix of sun and clouds. You need the sunscreen regardless, but it's that sunshine earlier in the day that helps heat us up and creates that instability for that first alert weather day that we have upon us. Right now we sit at 75 degrees. Those winds out of the south about 7 miles per hour. Dew point in the 40s. It felt really nice out there tomorrow, but our winds are really going to pick up as we head into tomorrow morning. Humidity will be on the rise. The heat will certainly be there, and then we've got that dry line and a warm front that'll help to initiate those thunderstorms as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening. That's the timeline for us. So take a look at this. It's first along the Red River that we start to see storms popping. This is 2-3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Those storms head southward and into the metroplex just in time for that evening commute. It's a scattered storm threat that continues to push south. Here's 7 o'clock. We've still got scattered storm activity through the metroplex that continues to move into our southern counties. I think most of that starts to wrap up by about 11 o'clock, close to midnight into tomorrow night. So make sure you are staying weather aware. Not a day that everybody sees this storm activity, but where those storms do set up, they will carry that severe weather threat. We have that 2 out of 5 risk for most all of North Texas for those strong to severe thunderstorms. And the primary threat for us is going to be for very large hail. We have seen our fair share of that across North Texas. Just in the last week or so, we had that softball grapefruit sized hail just a little earlier in the week. So that is our primary threat. As we get later into the evening, though, that turns into more of a wind threat. So that's something that we'll be watching by that point. The tornado threat is low, but not zero. All things we'll be keeping a close eye on into tomorrow. Now notice we have those storm chances tomorrow. Then we've got some dry time Friday and Saturday. It will be muggy out, but we're not looking at rain. Sunday starts dry, but those storms return Sunday evening and into Memorial Day. We round out the holiday weekend with some storm chances, and you'll notice that here on the 7-day forecast. That first alert weather day in effect for tomorrow. Friday, we're in the upper 80s with the sunshine, mid 90s by Saturday. Those will be your better weekend days. They will be a bit muggy. Then we get into Sunday. We're still in the 90s there with an approaching cold front, and that is what helps to initiate that storm activity into Monday. That's another time frame that we are keeping a close eye on. Notice temperatures by Monday back behind that front dip back to the low 80s, upper 70s next Tuesday. Showers start to wrap up middle of next week.